I'm in the city of the Espíritu Santo. What's up, folks? Good morning, good afternoon, good night, whatever is the time you're watching this video right now. Folks, I'm so excited here because I'm in the city of the Espírito Santo do Pinhal in the state of Sao Paulo, Brazil. Yeah, I'm far away from home, Santa Barbara till here. It's a long way to come here. Anyhow, folks, I'm so excited as usual. I am like this because I'm about to review such a beautiful, gorgeous waterfall, folks. You have to stay here with me, guys. You have to watch this, guys. I'm gonna take shots with the drones, underwater camera, whatever I can to put all together for you guys. You heard that? The sound of the river and the waterfall. Stay here with me, guys, because I'm about to review this awesome place and so much detail or whatever you want to find out. Check out on my description. All right, folks? The place is beautiful. It's beautiful. It's surrounded of a green vegetation, and the sad thing is like they're throwing too much garbage, you know, and on the top of the head of the river. So it's something that is hard to say to the people, you know, don't throw garbage, but we keep going and we keep doing it. That's sad. Wow. I'm gonna try to take some shots for all of you guys, you know. Wow, this is beautiful. We have plants, rocks, huge beauty here. Espírito Santo do Pinhal. That is the city where I am right now, guys. For all of you located, the name of the waterfall is Veridiana, guys. That is the name of this waterfall. Guys, you can find this waterfall, this beautiful waterfall, and how to come here, of course, in my description of the video, right? So you can see in a Wikiloc app. Search for that app. I find it's very handy and really good though. Anyhow, folks, I hope you enjoyed. If you are new, please subscribe to my channel because it's for free, as I say to everyone. And share my video because you will help the others around the world to see the beauty of the nature, and you help me out. Please, as you saw, kindly reminding you all, guys, don't throw garbage in the natural environment. Look at this, folks. You know, we got some containers and stuff. I don't say that the people here are bad or good. No, this happened to any part of the world, you know, folks. But for me, just common sense, all right? Now, my friends, meu povo, eu não vai falar mais, solo forte abraço. Bem só para todo mundo e até a próxima. Until the next time, folks. See ya.